President Francis Ochoa.
Sorry, good morning. Good morning. Yes, just to add to that, no, it's the like sa perception kasi ng Filipinos, it's like the futsal World Cup. Parang lesser than the football or whatever. But externally, when the world watches it, medyo there's no differentiation. It's still a huge World Cup. So have you set like standards that we need to meet as a host to make sure na pag pinanood tayo from public, they will still see something that is like World Cup level of hosting and World Cup level of competition?
No, thank you, Sir Francis. Yeah, of course, like we said, yung standards and the guidance, we work hand in hand with FIFA. Meron kaming mga counterparts doon per functional areas here. And we're working with experienced government agencies who've experienced not only world-class events, but regional events as well. But I think we can all agree in the way that FIFA brands things, you will know that this is a FIFA World Cup. And that is something that they will also transfer that knowledge to yung LOC natin. But make no mistake, no doubt na the branding of FIFA will let you know that this is a world-class event, from broadcast to the infrastructure to the way that the delegates are welcomed here and all the preparations from team services. Syempre, na-experience na natin yan being a delegate. So it will be the same type of FIFA branding of a tournament that we will have here. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Red Duno.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Well, football is the oldest sport in the Philippines, not counting bullfighting. Yeah, so it was in 1895 that football was introduced by the British to the Philippines.
Okay.
So 5 years ago, there was a move to have the Hall of Fame, creation of Hall of Fame of football. So you think now that it's 138th year and 138th year of football, and we are hosting futsal, don't you think it's timely also to create that Hall of Fame?
I haven't heard of that initiative, but now that I have, I'm going to tell everybody I thought about it. So, pwede, sir. I mean, it's not a bad idea. We've got enough football players led by the great Paulino Alcantara, and a number of them who have followed all the way to the Young Husband brothers and Stefan Shaw, this and that. Our former president should be in that list, Mr. Mariano Araneta. So we'll take a look at it, and yes, why not?
And that you would be the second sport to have the Hall of Fame in the Philippines.
I'm going to work fast on that because I don't want to be the third sport.
Okay. Thank you, Red. Okay, yes, Gab Ferreras.
Okay, so good morning everyone. I am Gab Peras from Sports Corner PH. I have a question po galing sa isang kapwa football writer. Yung readiness natin ng ating mga OCTs like Pasig and Victorias, kasi recently nagkaroon kayo ng memorandum of agreement with the Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto. When it comes to preparations, constant pa rin ang communication ninyo with the LGUs involved in the hosting natin. And the logistics din.
Yes, constantly. The MOAs have been signed, they're in place, and this is an ongoing process. No? It doesn't mean na nakapirma na si mayor o si administrator, tapos na. Ongoing, we're always in constant coordination with them, fine-tuning, para pagdating nung hosting natin, hindi na tayo masyadong nangangapa.
Okay, galing kay Jet Ilario ng Scoreline.ph. Papyaw muna dun sa preparations ng team natin for the upcoming SEA Games. Meron ba kayong tryout o meron ba kayong selection na para dito sa ating mga papadalang team natin for the Thailand SEA Games sa December?
For the Thailand SEA Games, basically we're going to use again the World Cup team for futsal. We're using the senior national team of women's football, and we're using the U23 national men's team. Yung tryouts, it's constantly, ano naman yan eh, it's a constant change with regards to the lineup. So, hindi na masyado kailangan magpa-tryouts dyan. We get our players from certain tournaments, talent identification system, from let's say UAAP, NCAA, or from the national leagues. No? So, hindi ibig sabihin, sumali ka dito sa U23, sigurado nandun ka na. Kung merong magsi-step up at mas magaling, baka mapaltan yung pwesto. So walang nangangampante dito, walang nagsasabing hindi kami matatanggal dito. Kaya nga I was hesitant to answer one of the questions of our members na sino ba ang shoe-in? I would like to think walang shoe-in dapat. Kailangan galingan mo all throughout. Kung hindi, papaltan ka ng mas magaling. O ng mas gutom.
Last question, personal question ko po. With this hosting nga ng bansa ng FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup, makakaasa pa ba yung PFF na capable tayo na mag-host sa mga international tournaments? And it would be help doon sa initiative ni PSC Chairman Patod Gregorio na palakasin ang sports tourism at mag-boom palalo ang futsal sa bansa. Thank you.
100% we're looking to be hosting more FIFA events. But for now, we have to do a good job dito. With regards to sports tourism, we are 100% on board with the initiatives of our chairman, Pato Gregorio. We're 100% support. Sabi nga niya, kung gusto niyo mag-host, tutulungan ko pa kayong mag-bid. You know? So, right now, kumbaga sa boxing, ang iniisip ko lang muna yung kalaban ko sa harap ko, tsaka na yung nasa likod. Let's look forward to the FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup. Then, we decide how we can cater to more FIFA events.
Okay.